Hi, my name is Adele. I'm from Johnson Race. I am going to introduce you to my old friend. Let's go so that I can trick him and get a big meal from him. I'll lick myself first.
Without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus. I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 but without you,
I was able to reach my favorite snack very easily. I'm still hungry. Where did you hide the food? If you don't say, I will hit you.
remember when I kissed you, I never knew it'd be the last. And all this time without you, baby, I'm living in the past. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean. I'm drowning in every single way. Yeah, without you, I've got
I succeeded.
fighting to just get through the
This food is one of the most delicious foods in the world.
deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, falling, falling. But without you, there's no escape. Yeah, without you,
I called my friends to come and accompany me.
I keep falling, falling, falling. But deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, falling, falling. But without you, there's no escape. Yeah, without you.
I'm never going to get full. Please make me and my friend happy with like and subscribe.